Hey guys, how's it going? Jason here again. So it's been a while since I uploaded a video, so I thought I could crack back into it again with a wee workshop organisation one. What I want to do is make a wee wall bracket to hold all my attachments from a quick change tool post for the lathe. Okay, so this is the lathe. It's a newer, bigger one. Got it off my dad. So what the idea is here, I've got this bit of stainless and I want to mount it on here. I'm going to make a wee bracket just to hang it on there. So we'll do that first. So the idea here, this is an attachment for that Dexian bin rack and stuff. And it's got to be notched in it. So what I'm going to do is make one long notch where I can just hang this whole sheet up. And judging by the actual boxes, I can make maybe drop down bracket about 10 mil, I think it was. So 10 mil, I'll get away with 10 mil. So we'll got some offcuts here. There's one exact same size as that. So we'll set this to 10 mil. Draw a line. And I'll just run down that with a grinder. Right, there we go. So the idea is we're going to put that on there like so. It actually bowed a wee bit there from the heat. I'm cutting it, but it should be okay. Take that out. Give that a wee clean up. Just wait for the compressor to stop there. Right. It's not quite straight. In there somewhere. So, because of the spacing in those wee tabs, it has to be, I'm going to make it that length, and then we'll cut these off. And we'll weld them in behind that there, just to space out a bit to catch onto those peg things. And yeah, we'll take it on and see if it works. So I'll get these cut now. What's that? So I'll take that on there and we'll see how it hangs. Will it fit? Yes! Look at that. Pretty good. Right. Next up, make some brackets. Now that bit's done. How are we gonna make these sit on there without falling off and without making it awkward to get on off? I did make a wee prototype, but I'm not really sure what I did with it. But we'll get some sort of arrangement here. We'll put those down there like that, that there, and then put there. Another boring bar, and that one. Yeah. So if we can make something for them to sit like that. I would also like to put chuck key on this, but maybe make a separate bracket for the chuck key. So here's one I made earlier. So that just slides in there like that. That'll be welded on there. And then it'll come out nice and easy. And make it shallower so that they don't catch in each other. So what I'm going to do is make, I need 8 of these. And I've got bits of flat this size. I'm going to cut this sheet metal down the guillotine to this size, and then we'll bend them as such. So we'll get this one done. So I've already done the first bend on that one, and what I did on the other one was I slid that in there like that, and then bent it a bit, like that, and then put it in the vise, and just finish the fold off. Obviously my last one wasn't as long, but like that, put the vise, and then just fold it up. There we go. So I'll cut this down, cut the back off, and then that's now one made. I'll just square it up a wee bit. This doesn't have to be super precise. That's only for holding these. I could get the folder out, but I don't think it's necessary. Right, so now I'm cutting the guillotine. We'll do the same again. So I'll come back to you when I have these all cut down. I have 8 of these wee brackets made up now. It's actually, I just got them all slid in here. They're not all perfectly identical, but that doesn't matter. We'll round the corners off and all once we have them welded on. But we are, so we're going to say that is 1 foot, right? So we'll put that 1.5 inches, 10.5, and that 6. And then we'll do the same at the bottom. Then we'll maybe put this at 3.5 and this 8.5. And we'll get this all measured up now, and then we can weld these on. Have this whole plate measured out now. Some people wouldn't draw the lines all over it, but I find it easier this way. So that's going to go there, and we're going to follow this line with the bottom of this. So yeah, I suppose it's time to start welding them on. So if I just put that on there, see, it looks real bad at the minute, but yeah, it'll look better once I have these welded on. Then I'll true these edges up. But we'll start here. Get the welder turned on, get my mask on, and get welding. I'm gonna put you in a time lapse this here because Don't know how long it's going to take. So I haven't fully welded these on yet, but I just can't help myself. I want to put it on, see what it looks like. So, it's quite hot. What's it like? Oh yeah. That is way handier than hooking on a drawer. So, I'm going to get this all fully welded now, and then we'll start deburring everything. There we go. That's it all welded up now. What I'm going to do actually is run the square up the edge of this here, and I'm going to try and put a straight edge in all these. That one's not bad. Oh, there's pretty bad. That one there. Still quite hot. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Those ones pretty good. So it's really just that one are bad. So I'll run the flat wheel over that there. See if we can take the majority off. It's going to take a while to tie that up, but I'll hit it with this here and come back to you. That's it all cleaned up then. Probably should have went over it with a Scotch Brite pad before I weld these on, so in under here was done, but I'm not gonna go sit and look on here, see if it's done. Like, and they all come on off nice and easily, and they're not gonna fall off. And if I want to put one in the lathe, all I got is quite hard to do with one hand, but there you go. Swap it out. Okay, so that's it finished then. Thanks for watching. See you again.